With iKlear, cleaning your MacBook or MacBook Pro has never been easier. Clean your screen using a Step 1 wet travel single to remove dust, dirt, and fingerprints. Take your optical grade microfiber chamois cloth and polish the surface using vertical and horizontal strokes to leave an anti-static, fingerprint-resistant finish. For best results, clean and polish weekly. Research tells us germs grow on touchpad surfaces found on smartphones, keyboards, and computer mice. The iKlear antibacterial cloth kills 99% of the germs on your keyboard and trackpad. Polish these areas as often as necessary to keep your computer germ-free and looking its best.